Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to get this amazing eye look. First off, we're going in with the Morphe Aurorascape palette. We are using the color Creativity. We're going to layer that on like 3 to 4 times, and then we're going to put a few layers of positive energy over it as well. We have to layer this up first and get a little bit underneath, get it up, and really layer it. Now we're putting on the positive energy, just really sweeping that over. You really want that to be yellow. Go in a little bit with your finger here, just to really highlight that area. So now we're coming in with this big brush, and we are using Extra Sensory, this beautiful blue. We are just going like this and doing a nice outline of the eye. Make sure to bring it down a little bit here. Now what we're doing is we're taking some just really cheap lip gloss, and I am going along here. I'm also going to bring it up, and this is just to help kind of the glitter look that I'm going for stick. Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's in the color turquoise. It's in the shade turquoise, but really it's just like shiny sparkles. So I'm going to put that on my little eyeshadow thing, and we're going to get sticking. So let's take off the tape. I did a little bit of mascara, and I'm going to do a little bit of mascara on the bottom as well, and I will come back with the final little look. So this is the final look. I really like this look. This is definitely a potential for my birthday look, but let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. If you like this look, it might be too much for some, but it's definitely like a one day a year look. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time.